Namaskaram. Today the topic is preparation of index cards or record of literature. Preparation of index cards or preparation of record of literature. Okay. Here majorly it is of two types. One is author index of reference, and the second one is subject index of notes. See, as in the case of author index of reference, first you have to understand that it is only occupying with the minimum data. Likewise, name, year, publication, and name of the journal, book, whatever it may be. As coming to the second type, subject index notes. The heading itself explains that it is also contain the minimum data, only the author's name and year of publication, and actually it contains the major keyword of the topic and the precise topic which is cited or referred by the scholar or the student. So in the second case, it will incorporate with a small sentence or two is recorded in the second type of index card, that is subject index notes. Okay, so first coming to the first one, write down the heading author index of references. Citation to the papers selected as worth reading may be taken in a number of ways. First up, the writers have found FOUND a loose leaf single inverted comma LOOSC hyphen LEAF system is most convenient. First up, next paragraph. The writers employ a card of suitable size with a 4 by 6 inches. First up, next paragraph. The card gives the exact citation according to author, comma, the source of the citation, and those topics discussed in the article on which notes are taken. First up, next paragraph. The cards are then filed alphabetically according to author. First up, for example, comma, a typical card from their file carries the following data. First up, here one more thing I refer to say. You have to draw a column in your notebook, and inside you can see or in the margin, one margin in the vertical level you have to mark it as 4 inches, and lengthwise or horizontal length should be 6 inches. And the example is what the card or in an author index card occupies is you have to write down inside that column. It should be with a 5 to 7 informations are there. So in that much size you can draw a column in your notebook. Okay, so first example is, if you are referring from a book, how to write down the author index card. So example book, write down number 1 inside the column. You have to write down number 1. Authors full name in brackets, last name first. 2. Full title in brackets, including any subtitle, close the bracket. Then 3. Edition in brackets, if the book is a second or later edition, close the bracket. Then 4. Number of the volume and the total number of volumes in bracket, if the book is a multi-volume work, close the bracket. Then 5. City of publication. Then 6. Shortened form of publisher's name. Then 7. Year of publication. So this is the basic requirement of an author index reference or record of literature should be noted by a student or as a scholar, because all these information might be come or used by the scholar while writing the references in the end of the dissertation or the thesis, or even in a research publication also. So this is one of the example for book. Okay, write down another example article from a scholarly journal. Article in a scholarly journal. So you have to draw another column, and there you can see there is a little difference from while you are citing or preparing the author index card from book and the journal. Okay, so in the next column you have drawn, it is also 4 by 6 inches, and write down inside the column 1. Author's name, 2. Title of the article, 3. Title of the journal, 4. Volume number, 5. Year of publication, 6. Inclusive page numbers of the article in brackets, that is the number of the page on which the article begins, comma, a hyphen, comma, and the number of the page on which the article ends. So this much information one should mark in author indexing or citation or record of literature from a scholarly journal. This is the standard format according to the MLA handbook prescribed by international level. So this is the journal format. Here we are writing 2 examples only, and supposed to be a researcher must need to cite or record author index references even from newspaper or magazine, and similarly some internet sources, and such a level is required for the author index citation. So one more example you have to write down. Example, internet source. Heading is internet source. So you have to write down first in draw a column, a big column, and it is also the card size is 4 by 6 inches, and inside the column you have to write down 1. Author's name, 2. Title of the document, 3. Title of scholarly project, comma, database, comma, periodical, comma, or professional or personal site. Then 4. Name of the editor of the scholarly project or database. Then 5. Data of electronic publication or last update. Then 6. Name of the institution or organization sponsoring or associated with the site. Then 7. date when you accessed the source. Last one, 8. Network address. Okay, so this is the source material which is procured from internet source while preparing author index references. Okay, so you must understand that it is also one of the important part of preparing author index references while using internet source, because nowadays the online program or online literature is more available. So it is mandatory to prepare such an author index of reference from internet source. Then only one who can cite the bibliography, that is a reference cited at the end of the dissertation or in a paper publication. And similarly, so many scholars or students are getting information from the standard scholarly internet sources like from InClickNet or so the so-called InsDoc, or even from OpenSS system. So in an appropriate way, a student or scholar must cite the internet sources for bibliographic reference cited in your dissertation or thesis or even in a research publication. Otherwise, it is not considered and it is rejected by the internet source you have cited. So, while preparing an author index of reference, you must mandatorily note all these types of examples, such as either you are citing from a book or from article in a scholarly journal or even from internet source. So internet source is most important, and the chronology of the numbered information is mandatory to prepare the author index references. Okay, and next coming to next paragraph, the exact citation is copied in a suitable form, comma, E small letter E dot small letter G dot comma, that approved by the Journal of Agricultural Research, in brackets WHITLOCK, WHITLOCK, comma 1936, close the bracket, full stop. Next paragraph. In brief, comma, a book citation consists of the surname of the author, comma, followed by a comma and initials, semicolon, the date, semicolon, the title, semicolon, the edition if not the first, semicolon, the pagination or number of volumes, semicolon, illus dot, comma, if any illustration material is used, semicolon, and the place of publication. First up, next paragraph. Similarly, a citation to a periodical consists of the surname of the author, comma, followed by a comma and the initials, semicolon, the date, semicolon, the title of the article, semicolon, the title of the periodical abbreviated according to the experimentation record list, in brackets Bartholow, BARTHOLOW, comma 1925, close the bracket, semicolon, the series in parenthesis, PARENTHESIS, if necessary, semicolon, the volume or year, semicolon, the number or part in parenthesis if separately paged, semicolon, the pagination, in brackets number of volume, semicolon, and illus, comma, if any illustration material is used. Okay, thank you.